More active severe weather in Oklahoma tonight.
Oklahoma's been hard hit lately, hasn't it?
Unbelievable.
That huge outbreak 2 weeks ago, one of the worst hailstorms I've ever seen on Sunday. And then you see this right here, Leslie?
This is
a particularly dangerous situation. You don't get those very often from the Storm Prediction Center. This outbreak that is underway now in Oklahoma could produce some very strong and very long track tornadoes. So they're very concerned up there in the Sooner State today. Let's show you again what we were looking at live here about 30 minutes ago in the studio. A tornado touchdown, pretty large cone there, just outside of the town of Hennessy, Oklahoma, which is about 50 miles to the northwest of Oklahoma City. No reports of any injuries, as again, that storm just missed the town. These pictures coming live from television news helicopters out of Oklahoma City. Here is a live picture of what's going on right now from KWTV Channel 9's news chopper there out of the city, looking back north, still near the Hennessy, Oklahoma area. This storm has actually tracked a little bit onto the east now, and it has produced at least one more tornado. As I mentioned to you a second ago, I don't see any right there right now. Do you? Live, don't see any lowering or any funnel clouds, but as we were in the commercial break not 3 minutes ago, we saw another tornado out of this same storm. This is how it looks on the radar up there in Oklahoma right now. That's the tornadic thunderstorm, at least one of them. Tornado warnings also issued on this storm. Another one developing back south of Woodward, Oklahoma. One of the worst tornadoes in United States history hit Woodward, Oklahoma back in 1947, so they're very paranoid up in that area from their history. More developing back down to the southwest of Oklahoma City. Those could rapidly intensify and become tornadic too. Now let's pan down a little bit to Austin, and well, we don't see anything. From here to Dallas, there is nothing going on, at least today. That could change tomorrow. Let's talk about what's happening here at home today. We're warm, we're humid, we're breezy. 86 degrees in Burnett, 87 in Marble Falls, 84 degrees in the Llano area right now. Here in the metro area, we've seen some places reach 90, including the airport. 90 up in Georgetown right now. 92 has been the high at the airport today. 87 in Buda, San Marcos, very warm, and 88 degrees. Our eastern counties tonight, all between 86 and 88. It's 87 over in Bastrop. In Austin, officially, 88 degrees and partly cloudy. At the airport, it's 89. And our skies are partly cloudy. Our winds are southerly at 7 in town. At the airport, a south wind at 15. Sunset 8:21 tonight. Mold not as bad as yesterday, but still bad. Over 7,000. That's a high count today. Likely to see a high count again tomorrow in your allergy forecast for Thursday. Around the state, very, very warm everywhere. 90 in Midland, 87 in Dallas, 88 in Houston. Amarillo up there, cool spot at 77. And there you see the thunderstorms. The reason this is a particularly dangerous situation in Oklahoma, a very strong flow of moisture coming in from the south, very unstable atmosphere aloft, strong piece of upper-level energy coming in from the west, dry line out in western Oklahoma, all the ingredients coming together just like 2 weeks ago for a potential significant tornado outbreak in that area. Now, this is the upper-level wind pattern. These are little pieces of energy that can generate storms. Notice tomorrow we have some of them dipping a little bit farther down here to the south. We think we could see a thunderstorm or two down towards central Texas tomorrow, although I'll tell you right now, the chances are pretty low. Most of the action should be in North Texas and Northeast Texas tomorrow, but our computer model tries to bring some down here into Burnett or Williamson County. If they can get down here, now they could be severe too. So we'll be watching it tomorrow. There's 9 o'clock tomorrow night, trying to develop some down in the northern hill country. Then one last chance on Friday, and then I think we're just hot and dry through the weekend. Temperatures tonight, upper 60s to around 70. These are your lows in the morning. These are your highs tomorrow, back up at around 90. In Austin tonight, low clouds streaming in, 72 the low. Tomorrow, a high of 92, a mix of clouds and sun, and we'll throw in a chance that we could see a late-day thunderstorm. But what is that chance? Only 20% tomorrow, less than that on Friday. And then this weekend, it'll be good lake weather, be good pool weather, good Barton Springs weather, a 90 to 93 in the afternoons. Rain chances is almost nil from Saturday to the middle of next week.
All right, Jim, a few traffic accidents to take note of.